About Samsung AU7000. About this atom, a different level of UHD with advanced phosphor technology. Immerse yourself in the picture with 1 billion shades of color. Dynamic crystal color delivers lifelike variation so you can see every subtlety. Mind-blowing slim design that you have never seen before in this category, making your TV blends into the walls seamlessly. Feel every shade of color as intended. Powerful 4K upscaling ensures you get up to 4K resolution for the content you love. As the centerpiece of your home, Samsung Smart TV powered by Tizen is dedicated to giving you access to a world of content beyond streaming so you can schedule recording, searching and game all while connected. About Samsung TU7000, experience crystal clear colors that are fine-tuned to deliver a naturally crisp and vivid picture. Unveils shades of colors you can't find on UHD TV. TV dimension withstand 48.4 inches, VW class 30.6 inches height, weight 30.6 lbs, motion rate mr120, resolution 3840 cross 2160, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled. Go beyond smart TV with next generation apps, super easy control and host of enhancements that elevate the TV watching experience. This ultra fast processor transforms everything you watch into stunning 4K. One simple on screen guide organizes your streaming and live TV content while also making recommendations. Input HDMI to USB 1 Ethernet LAN 1 RF in terrestrial cable input 1 by 1 RF in satellite or cable input 1 by 1 digital audio out.